Today, I'll break down the new gun laws in Colorado for 2026, step by step, so you know exactly what's changing. Law 1, starting in 2026, Colorado requires a permit to purchase or own certain semi-automatic firearms, like rifles with detachable magazines. To get this permit, you'll need county sheriff vetting, completion of firearm safety training, passing a written and practical test. Law 2, magazine capacity limits. New firearm purchases are now limited to 15 rounds for rifles and 10 rounds for handguns. Existing magazines are grandfathered, but all new sales must follow these limits. Law 3, safe storage requirements. Gun owners must secure firearms in a safe or lockbox if minors or prohibited individuals could access them. Failing to comply can lead to fines or legal liability if unauthorized access occurs. Law 4, background checks for all sales. All private firearm sales, including at gun shows, now require a background check. This closes previous loopholes and ensures every sale is verified. Law 5, expanded red flag laws. Courts can issue extreme risk protection orders if someone poses a danger to themselves or others. Law enforcement and family members can petition for temporary firearm removal in dangerous situations. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.